Hi everyone, today's solve a question called best time to buy and sell stock. So in this question, I'm given the rate where each element in the rate is a price or stock on a given day. And in this question, we want to find the maximum profit we can get by choosing to purchase stock on a specific day and then uh, choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. So let's check example 1 to see what the question means. Example 1, our prices already containing all these numbers. And if we purchase on day 2, to get price equal to 1, right? This means the cost of that purchase is 1. And then we can sell on day 5, which means the price 6. So this means the revenue of selling that stock is 6. Then we want to divide that revenue by the cost to get the profit, right? So 6 divided by 1 is 5. And the maximum profit we can get from the purchase is 5. Example 2 here, you see in the price array is in strictly decreasing order. This means whenever we choose to purchase stock, we cannot sell the stock with higher price in the future. This means, okay, no transaction can be done and the maximum profit should be 0. Okay, now finish the quick problem introduction. Let's think about how to solve this problem. So this problem is actually a frequently asked interview question for dynamic programming. And for dynamic programming approach, the first thing we want to do is to initialize some variables, right? So let me take a very simple example where numbers are equal to 1, 2, 3. So right num equal to here. Then 3 bell 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, here the array numbers should be changed to prices because we had prices here. So change it to prices. And since we have to calculate the profit, which is revenue divided by cost, right? So I have to set some variables. One is the minimum price, which is the cost. And then we need the current profit, which is the current profit or the current revenue divided by cost at a specific location. And finally, we need the maximum profit, which is the maximum profit of all current ones. Okay, so we initialize these several variables, and let's build a table for this one. So the illustration will be more easy to understand. Okay, so let's set the table look like this. Okay, now let's traverse through the array. So we're starting at this one. And here price is 1, so the minimum price here can only set to 1, the right one here. And the current profit should be price minus minimum price, right? Because we can only purchase at the minimum price and sell it at the price. So 1 minus 1 give us 0, right? 0 for the current profit. And maximum profit should also be 0, right? Because previously we had no profit. Okay, now let's move to the next position. So move to these 2 here. And for these 2, the minimum price is set the minimum between this one and this 2, right? So the minimum price is still 1. And the current profit should be the current price deducted by the minimum price. So 2 minus 1 will get 1 here. And maximum profit should be maximum between this 0 and this 1, right? So it should be updated to 1. Okay, now finish this number. Let's move further to the next one. So now the price is 3. And now the minimum price should be the minimum between these 3 and this one. So it's still 1, right? And the current profit should be this 3 divided by this one, so get 2. And finally, the maximum profit should be maximum between this one and this 2, so we get 2. Okay, now finish traversing the entire array. The last thing we want to do is to do the return thing. So the most updated maximum profit is 2, so we just return this one and our search result. Okay, now finish the graphical explanation. Let's add the coding part. Well, the first thing to initialize the maximum profit as float minus infinity. So initially it's smaller than any number. And then you need the minimum price, which floats infinity. So it's initialized greater than any number. We want to traverse all the prices in this prices array and to update. So minimum price is just the minimum between the previous minimum price and this current price. And the current profit is just the price deducted by the minimum price. And the maximum profit is the maximum between the previous maximum profit and the current profit. Okay, and finally, return the most updated version for maximum profit divided. Okay, let's submit the code to see it works. Oh, sorry. Oh, here's typo. This one should be maximum profit. Let's submit again to see it works. Okay, see the time capacity memory usage this solution is not bad, right? I think the code is very short and very easy to understand. If you find it helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.